Yes, yes, yes. As you can see, one nail fully broke. As it's moving time for me, it broke off. I did have a little nick, glued it down, was nice and good, until I started doing some things that I needed to get done for moving. So, as that has, and it's that broken, I have to cut these down at least somewhat. So these are all going to get cut down just a little bit. Not all the way down is cut as much as the small one, but because it's such a drastic change compared to how this one broke, I need to redo these nails. So I might redo this hand just a little bit, but I'm sadly to say this is just not going to cut it, and I will very likely, because of moving, will be having more nails break, so I'd rather have them a slightly better length so they don't all get this short. So it happens and everything. Whatever, I'm going to have some mini, slightly long and whatnot nails, but I have to cut them because this is the tragicness of moving sometimes, but at least they always can grow back. So we'll have the grow back journey happen now, but let's get them so they're not this crazy long for this time. So here I go as I do the cuts on my first nail of it all. Yep, and second and third. Yep, don't worry. I can rip these off like this because they're so strong. I don't recommend this if your nails are not extremely strong. But here I go. And now shape up and get that little bit nicely and everything as best I can. Going from an end thing and then doing nice and flat. Now I'm doing the sides to get that shape that I like. Where I like to curve in the sides and flatten the top parts. So that is what I'm doing here. Well, there we go. As you can see, my nails are about half-ish shorter, but I'm going to keep these ones exactly how they are. No need to cut them, but these ones would definitely need to cut because of how small it was, and being, like I said, moving. It's good for this hand to be shorter, and I think this is a very good length to have for right now. So, there we go with all of that. But for dang sure, I'm definitely going to repaint these. And I have an idea to repaint these with a nice hollow red sparkle. So I'll definitely do that. But there is the length I'm doing my nails for my right hand right now. And here we go with this velvety matte blue polish from Barry M. Putting that on. As you can see, it's mattified, but it comes shiny to begin with. And then, as I said, I was going to use a nice red sparkle, this Holo Taco one. I'm doing it on the thumb of it all. And here is a new top coat I'm trying out. This one. So let's put it on these awesome nails here and use it from Etsy, the brand. So we open up this bad boy of a polish in this box. Yes, this one. Nice new top coat. So here we are with the awesome nails, as you can see here. Looking good. And we're going to now put that color on. As you can see, I'm taking away the matteness. I don't really want the matteness. I want shiny nails. So it doesn't really matter that the nail polish comes matte to begin with. And of course, I did paint my other hand fully the red. This is just not the one that I've fixed the sizing of. So there we go with that. And as I'm now all done with all the polish and everything, and it's nicely dried, I'm now going to use some oil. Using my nice oil pen here. And I'm using, it has a little twist at the bottom and everything as it comes out of the top. And now I'm just giving it a nice generous amount to make sure my nails have a nice flexibleness as best I can with the nail oil. So all we gotta do now is rub it into it and then do that over and over, day after day. So there we go. And of course, here it is on my other hand, so you can really see that nice red. It's a retired red sparkle from Holo Taco and oil vibe. There we go. My nails are fully done, painted and shapened. Oh yes. Yep, I put a nice color. I did do the nice bright red, but I did that on my other hand that I usually have longer, which is longer than my other one. This is not the one I reshaped and made shorter, but this is the one I did the bright Holo Taco of a red, and this one I decided to do this blue. I thought it looked really good with this color of it all for sure. Oh yes. And of course, I put on some nail oil. I use my nice Hello Taco nail oil refillable pen. I love this thing. I use this and I use lotion as well. And I definitely want to make sure I do that, as I have been slightly bad about not doing it at least every night with oil or with my cream. So I'm going to try to get myself to do that more often. This is typically in my purse. When I can, I would probably get a second one of these. A home one and a going out one. That would be very useful. But all in all, as I keep my nails nice and rejuvenated and everything, I'm very happy doing this in my Maxi Max of a way. Doing one with the bright red and one with this awesome, awesome blue. But of course, sometimes like I do, my accents of thumbs instead of my ring fingers. So, there we go, as it is time to have shorter nails that I haven't had for a really long time. But life happens, moving and whatnot. So as I am ready to move now, with my moving nails, at least for the hand I use the most, let's just say this is a good length, and I hope no more break in moving of it all. So with that all in mind, and all this awesome sparkle and everything, till next time, sparkle, sparkle, bang!